Hey guys, Cam Callender here with the MSI concept, back with Who's Ready to Learn Crypto. Where we talk about crypto, usually on the third Saturday of each month. Definitely want to go over some of the analysis with Project ICP, iCoin Pro that we work with, and all of the crypto learning and training that I get is all from Project ICP. You can get access to it at msimind.com/Bitcoin. So you can definitely get access to that. And clicking on the red button, get access to the free boot camp. So right now I'm going to go into the co-founder and with Justin Clark, who goes over the market analysis. So I'm going to go over his market analysis this morning to recap that. So I'll go ahead and play that video. It's about 10 minutes long, just going over the market analysis. Comes out pretty much every morning from Justin. Can definitely watch on these to get some market analysis going into the crypto markets. So we're going to play that here and watch into that, get a little bit of details and reaction on that, but definitely some great information.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Justin Clark here. Going to be taking a look at these crypto markets, in particular Bitcoin. And for those who don't know, the reason we keep such a close eye on Bitcoin is because it's a big bully in these markets. It bullies the little altcoins, and pretty much whatever Bitcoin's doing, the altcoins follow, but in an exaggerated fashion. So I know if some of you are new and you're watching this for the first time, it's kind of mind-blowing, but that's how it works. So gives us kind of a cheat code for this market. We just have to watch Bitcoin closely, and then you can anticipate what's pretty much going to happen with the altcoins. So as you come on, hey, what's up, man? Good to see you, James. As you come on here.
So a little background, just to give you guys, with Bitcoin being the major cryptocurrency coin, the top of the market, and the altcoins being all of the other coins that are under and fall below Bitcoin. Many different coins that you may be watching or following if you're kind of new. But yeah, we'll get more into that. You can watch some of my past videos as well on Who's Ready to Learn Crypto. You can see plenty of those different videos where we cover a lot of that information, and also getting access to the free boot camp as well to start your training on crypto, depending on where you are on your crypto journey. But a little bit more, we'll get into the video.
If you'd like to let me know who you are, what part of the world you're tuning in from. If you're seeing this live or on replay, that's always fun. Good morning, Mike. Welcome, welcome. And if you want to get market analysis like this, pretty much to your, on the daily, push to your inbox or to your smartphone, follow me on Facebook or x.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen here. We're going to be taking a look at a chart called the MA Momentum, which this chart setup gives us kind of I know, man, believe me, I know, man, it's the best thing since sliced bread, no doubt about it, James. What we're doing and what we can do with the system is just incredible. So anyway, man, great to have you on here. Hey, welcome, Holly. Good to see you. Yeah, great to see you here. All right, awesome. Absolutely. True, and believe me, my life too. You know what I'm saying, man? It's a lifesaver to know this system.
Yes, definitely agree. It's life changing to know how to trade and learn these markets. It's definitely a skill worth learning. So definitely get access to that free boot camp again at msimind.com/Bitcoin. So you can definitely make sure you guys get access to that as well. At least starting there, go to the free boot camp if you haven't already, and get started.
Right. So let's dig into this. So the MA Momentum, it stands for Moving Average Momentum. This is a chart setup that we use to really take a bird's eye view of a coin or an asset and see what the key resistances and supports could be. To learn about this chart setup, if you're an iCoin Pro member, go to my iCoin Pro training and then scroll down to Micro Profit System Part 3, and it's right here, MA Momentum. It takes you about 40 minutes to do. Okay, so let's jump into our custom software, the iCoin Pro trading portal. And this is
Yes, definitely. Tons of training inside of Project ICP, tons and tons of training on the crypto markets and trading with the micro profit system to gain profits and be profitable in the crypto markets. So definitely highly recommend getting involved with that, as well as getting the trading portal software. On the software is just phenomenal. I'll touch a little bit on the software as well. Let me actually just go into the software. So this is the trading portal with the trade finder that runs and watches the markets. So you can definitely look at that as well and see all of the different coins that the system watches and learn how to use the trading portal. This software is, like I said, phenomenal to have. So definitely, once you get higher and more involved, definitely taking the free boot camp. Once you get more advanced, definitely get the software so they can learn how to utilize the different software. And if you've seen some of my videos before with going over the software, and you can also see it on the webpage, msimind.com/Bitcoin. I have a video as well. The second video goes into how I kind of use the software as well. So you can see a little bit of usage on that software, but we'll get back into the analysis.
The software we built from the ground up. Nobody else has this. I'm going to click on load chart layout and go to the MA momentum chart. And let's take a look at this. So for those who are newbies, these green and red things here are called candles. They show what's happening with the price. In this case, on a daily basis, this is a one-day chart. So every single candle shows 1 day of trading. We have these lines here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, these other colored lines here. These are called moving averages. And this shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. We're not going to get into how this all is calculated. We just need to know how to use it. Here's the cool thing about this chart setup. You can quickly tell where a market potentially is, all right? If the price action is trading above all of these moving averages, and in particular trading above this light purple moving average, then we are potentially in a bullish market and almost definitely not in a bearish market, which is great, and building up potentially bullish momentum. Now, on the flip side, if we're trapped underneath all of these moving averages and trading below this light purple moving average, the opposite is true. We're potentially in a bear market and building up bearish momentum, and almost definitely not in a bull market. And we'll need to reconquer all of those moving averages and stay trading above them in order to build up the bullish momentum. So where are we?
So yeah, to kind of give you guys the understanding there, the bullish market is typically trending upwards, so the prices are going higher, and then a bearish market is trending downward, so the prices are going lower, with the value going lower. So those are the bear and bullish. Those bull and bear are the terms for those movements.
Right now, well, we're squishing. We're getting squishy. So we've got this green moving average. This is the moving average 100, looks back 100 days to calculate its price. And these other two here, three actually. We've got three moving averages here that we're kind of squished under that are acting as upside resistance. And we're trying to stay above the green one and bust through these three. So what's happening here is we've got volume is getting lower, price action is getting tighter. So we're setting up, it's like a snake coiling up. It's potentially ready to strike or make a move. So possibly this week we'll see something happen. We'll just have to see. But anyway, we've got to stay above 95, K to keep the buyers excited, and reclaim 100K to get them even more excited, and then bust through 110K to get people absolutely losing it, right? So that's kind of the key levels. We got to stay above 95. If we don't stay above 95, we could come back to retest 89.90, all right, which could really cause the altcoins to implode a little bit more. So we will have to see. Now, there's something else on here. This is what we're looking at. It's a structure. A structure is when the market is building either like a triangle structure or different things. In this case, it's called a head and shoulders. So this is the left shoulder, here's the head, and then if it plays out, we will build a right shoulder here. And then this is called the neckline, this purple line. So we don't, if we get below this purple line, then we have trouble, okay? So, you know, we'll see if it completes this whole structure or not. If it does a right shoulder and it keeps, you know, perfectly makes this structure, then the high over here on this right shoulder will be lower than 110, okay? So we'll have to see. Head and shoulders in this situation is a bearish reversal pattern, so it would mean that we could potentially be trend changing, right? The market tried to break through the resistance, couldn't, tried again even harder, couldn't, tried again a third time and failed, and then the downtrend can occur. So,
yeah. So when he kind of mentions there, so structure is different patterns in the market, and you'll learn about those different patterns as well. But that's what structure refers to as patterns that we can see that typically show you a trend of where something's going to be moving towards or how it has moved with those patterns. So you can see those patterns, and those will start to form those structures, and you'll be able to start to see those once you start learning more on the charts as well.
Right now, 95 is the key on the bottom, and then 90 below that. 110 is key, you know, the ultimate goal on the upside, and we got to reclaim 100 to even think about doing that for now. The last thing I just want to talk about this is if we get what I like to call an early exit from a structure. So everybody's anticipating left shoulder, right shoulder, or head, then right shoulder. And if it plays nice, that's what will happen. But we could also get an early exit, which means the market nosedives, we lose 90K. And if that happens, the selling can get pretty intense because early exits cause the market, kind of catch the market off guard. They all have their plan. They're like, oh, we're doing this, and then it doesn't do it, and then people panic. On the flip side, if we all of a sudden rocket, like if this squish rockets us up and we bust through 110, the buyers can get really excited about that early exit. So we'll just have to see, all right? But we're in between. We're definitely getting squished. I'm believing there's some sort of move coming here, possibly Monday. You know, it might not happen over the weekend because weekends tend to be slower. But maybe Monday we could see some volatility increase, which would be great. All right, longs and shorts. Longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down. Longs make money when the price does go up. Shorts make money when the price goes down. Right now, we're pretty much even. 58% on the longs, 41% on the shorts. Not really concerned about this right now unless this number, the longs, get over 70%. So if the price starts dipping down towards here and the longs go over 70%, then all of a sudden what's called a long squeeze can happen. And that's when, you know, all of the people betting Bitcoin's going up get liquidated and squeezed out of the market, and it can cause a really dramatic price drop. But we're nowhere near that right now, just the potential on the chart. Hey, Troy, welcome. Good morning. All right. Last thing I'm going to look at is what's hot and what's not to trade. So things are tightening up across the boards. B3 has been fun. Volume's still pretty good. Trump is moving. So that's another one that I'm watching to potentially trade. And then, wow, it looks like WIF is starting to, it's still got some volume. Let me just see here. This recovery, not super duper exciting, but could be on there. This is a little low end volume. Anyway, maybe WIF if it does something really good. But definitely B3 and Trump are my top two coins that I'm looking at for trading as far as my. All right, that's it, everybody.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at Trump as well. I'm following some of my trades. Trump's one I'm looking at as well to see if that coin's going to continue to move. But yeah, following those coins as well. But definitely tap into the market analysis and Project ICP to keep up with us in these trades.
Everybody, that's all I've got. If you want to learn how to trade these crazy crypto markets, we've got a free boot camp for you. You can.
Yeah, so that free boot camp you can get at msimind.com/Bitcoin. Link up on the screen and in the description. Just click on the red button that will take you over to register for the free boot camp. There's an overview video of Project ICP as well. So definitely, if you guys want to take a look at that, disclaimer up on the screen as well. Because there's always risks with trading, but definitely by utilizing the software, give you the most information to make the most accurate trade you can and try to keep you profitable in the markets. So definitely wanted to cover that analysis. Probably be doing more of these videos. Definitely comment if you like me covering these analysis and going over those videos. I can definitely do more of them, show the different analysis. And then when I've got some more trades forming, there's some dips today with the software, but don't look like I'm going to trade either of these coins right now. I'll wait to see if they move a little bit more. I think they're probably going to dip a little bit more before making a trade today, but there's definitely some movement today. But yeah, I'll be taking a look at those and waiting for the notifications because we do get notifications from the software. You can get them on your smartphone as well to get the notifications and then come check the charts, see if you want to actually get into those different trades. But yeah, so I got the alerts this morning, but still waiting to see the next move on these charts here with these coins. To see if there's anything else that moves with them. But definitely want to shut that out. Again, usually every third Saturday of the month, I usually just talk crypto. So if you definitely tune into the channel, MSI Concept on YouTube, or stay tuned for my profiles and lives. But definitely comment any questions that you have, so I can cover those in future videos and shout you out if you make those comments. I do read all of the comments, so definitely make sure you comment, and I try to answer anything that I can in the comments or make a video about it. So I do want to thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos, and hopefully you get started on Project ICP and start trading with us as well.